Hello traders, Trader Tom here from Simply Forex, the channel created to help you succeed in the markets. If I look and sound a little bit different, I am on my travels. I am in Cyprus for 2 weeks, but we'll still be trading, guys. Yeah, that's the beauty of trading. You can trade from wherever you like as long as you've got a laptop. So there you go, guys. That's me. I hope you all had a lovely Easter weekend. Yeah, I am enjoying mine. But yeah, back to normal today, guys. The holidays, Friday, Monday, bank holidays, so back to normal today. The volume will be back in the market. But let's take a look at yesterday's trades, guys, because we were looking at a couple. I didn't actually trade, but let's take a look at the ones we were looking at and if we did have a setup. So, first of all, we were looking at Euro US dollar. Yeah, this is the day chart, and we were looking to sell it. So, why were we looking to sell it? Well, first of all, just follow structure. Yeah, we were in a downtrend, lower lows, lower highs, right? In a downtrend, and then we had a nice bullish candle, followed by this doji, but it's still closed below this support zone, which is what I liked. We were just trying to take price a little bit further back down to this grey zone. All right, and as you can see, that's exactly what happened. If we drop down to the H1, yeah, let's see what entries we could have had. Sorry, past tense. So yeah, if you look at the H1, guys, as you can imagine, yeah, Friday and the start of Monday is just going to be nothing price action. There's no volume. Look at this. It's just nothing. And then bang, we do get this candle, yeah, or even this candle. All right. And this is a breakdown in structure, guys. We're starting to see lower lows on the H1. We're below the moving average 20. And as we know from the day chart, there was room to move into. All right, so these candles would have been good. Sell here, put your stop above the highs, yeah, and look to take price lower. So Euro US dollar, yeah, good trade, good direction. Hope some of you got into it. I saw some of the VIP crew. You managed to get into this trade. We was also looking at New Zealand US dollar. Similar scenario to Euro US dollar, obviously. Yeah, we are in a downtrend. Okay, so, understand trend, structure of the market. That's a downtrend. Yeah, we had a nice big bearish candle. Again, followed by a doji, but they both closed below these lows. Again, we like to see this. And the idea was just to come back down to this blue line a little bit further. And again, that's exactly what happened. If we drop down to the H1, so yeah, you could have, there was a bit of break of structure here. Let me just pull my grey zone out a little bit. So we pinpointed this area because of these last lows. Yeah, and there was this candle here that broke it. That is potentially a good candle to enter on to take price lower. Yeah, you need to put your stop up here and protect yourself. All right, so yeah, Euro US dollar, New Zealand US dollar, we're still seeing that US dollar strength. And then we're also looking at a couple of Canadian dollar pairs. So Euro Canadian dollar, if we start with the day chart, yeah, this is dropping like, who are doing terrible in the Premier League? This is dropping like Burnley. Apologies to all Burnley fans. So here we go, guys. Yeah, we was in this uptrend, and then we found ourselves in this just consolidation, price contraction, and then bang. Yeah, we broke this contraction here with this big bearish candle, and then that's the catalyst for this downtrend that we're seeing. All right, but again, we had a nice big bearish candle. This, this is just bearish to me. It doesn't tell me that buyers are back in control, so we were happy to keep selling this. And again, that's exactly what happened. If we drop down to the H1, okay, yeah, we could have entered here. Yeah, if we just follow structure here, guys. Yeah, again, just loads of nothing. Bank holiday. But then we got this nice big candle here, potentially an entry coming off these highs in here. Yeah, big bearish candle, stop above here, take price lower. And then the final trade was New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar. So if we take a look at this as well, guys, if we start with the day chart, yeah, this is dropping also like Burnley. Again, apologies, Burnley fans. Yeah, we can see we're just clearly in a downtrend. You know, could you class that as a last high? Maybe. All right, but a downtrend. Then we have bearish candle, and again, this green candle is still bearish. And we had a bit of room to move into. If we drop down to the H1, yeah, and again, H1 structure nicely breaking down. You know, I really like this candle. Yeah, does it break these lows from over there as well? Not quite, but I like this candle. Yeah, you know, again, if you follow H1 structure, we're here and then bang. Yeah, big bearish candle, enter here, it will stop above here, you know, take price lower. All right, guys, so those were the trades from yesterday. Let's take a look at today's trades now. Guys, if you enjoy receiving my trade ideas and analysis every single day, then please come join the channel. Yeah, we'd love to have you. Subscribe to the channel right now. Smash the notification button so you receive an alert. And if everyone could please smash the like button. Right, trades for Tuesday, the 2nd of April. Before we get started, guys, first of all, if my camera doesn't look the best or my sound, is because I am on holiday for a couple of weeks. I'm in Cyprus, but we'll still be trading, guys. So that's the beauty of trading. You can do it anywhere in the world you like. You just need a laptop and a bit of internet. So yeah, that's what I'm doing, guys. But also worth pointing out before I show my trade ideas, if you haven't joined our trading community yet, guys, then please do. Yeah, we've got like-minded traders sharing ideas, knowledge, trades. So come join the free VIP Discord channel. We've also got our VIP Trading Academy in there as well. And we are doing an excellent promotion where you can get that for free. Yeah, for free, guys. So check that out as well. And also, guys, if you would like to show your support for the channel, you can become a Simply Forex YouTube member, and there's loads of perks for doing so. So check all of this out. It's all in the video description. Because I'm on holiday, guys, no live stream today also, but we've got a few videos lined up for you instead. So, yeah, check those out. Right, trades for today. So first and foremost, we're still seeing US dollar strength, right? That's clear. US dollar is still strong. The problem with it, and these are not trade ideas, is that most of them are at support or resistance. So this is Euro US dollar. Yeah, we're at this support level. Yeah, we've got a nice big bearish candle. And we're in a downtrend, but there's just no room. Yeah, and this is the problem with a lot of the US dollar pairs. If we look at pound US dollar, again, you can see this nice big candle has broken out of this level. There's just no room, right? There's support immediately. Okay, if I did have to trade a US dollar pair today, it would be New Zealand US dollar. Yeah, because I still think this is a bit of free air to move into. Yeah, so tricky to trade some of those US dollar pairs. But what I am interested in today is pound. Yeah, my motherland currency is very weak. Yeah, this is what I'm seeing, guys, a weak pound. All right, and this is going to be the catalyst for our trades today. So, first and foremost, we are looking at like literally any of the pound pairs, really. Pound Aussie dollar. Okay, so we like this for a potential trade. So why do we like this? Again, yeah, maybe the structure's not clear here, but for me, it is clear. As soon as we get this big candle, yeah, this broke these lows. All right, so we're getting lower lows, right, and prices come up. We've seen this huge rejection, okay, and now we're getting lower highs. So that's clearly in a downtrend. And also we've got this is bearish, these wicks are bearish. And then we've got a nice bearish candle yesterday. So the idea is just to take price back down to these lows. Okay, and there's still, because this is pound Aussie dollar, there's still plenty of pips to move into. If we drop down to the H1, so there's this level here, guys, that I would like to see here. You can see here, guys, price has reacted many times before. I'd like to see price come back up to this grey zone. Perhaps the moving average 20 comes round. We get a nice bearish reaction in here, yeah, and then we can take price lower. All right, maybe we've missed our opportunity here. I'm looking at this candle right now. That's a bit of a rejection wick. But let's see. I'd like to see price come back into here. So pound Aussie dollar, pound Canadian dollar. Yeah, if we start with the day chart, this has lots of nice, clean air to move into. Right, but let's understand why we're selling it. So first of all, we are in a downtrend. Yeah, lower highs, lower lows. It's so important that you can identify structure and therefore trend, guys. That is like trading 101. You need to know that. So yeah, clearly in a downtrend, nice big bearish candle, yeah, that broke this level here. All right, so we've broken a support level. We've got a nice bit of room to move into, and I've just chosen a couple of psychological levels. We've got this 7,000, if not potentially all the way down to the 6,950. Okay, if we drop to the H1, again, like if you look at the H, let's start with the H4. If we look at the H4, price could retrace back up into this grey zone. Moving average 20 comes round and we get a nice bearish reaction. Okay, I will happily trade that, and that will be a H4 trade, right? But you saw how bearish the daily candle was. So if we drop down to the H1, price might not retrace up to here, right? So what we're looking for is just a smaller retrace back up to this last H1 high here. Yeah, moving average 20 comes round. We get a nice bearish reaction in here, and then we can start selling from there, guys. All right, so pound Canadian dollar, we're looking to short that. Also, pound yen, yeah, trade yen pairs at your peril. Yeah, they're like, but we have a setup. Yeah, just trade your setup. Yeah, and again, we're just going to follow structure. So at this point, yeah, it never broke this low because of these wicks, right? And then it shot back up, clearly in an uptrend, yeah. And now we are in a downtrend. We're starting to see lower highs and lower lows. Only just that this candle, the body of this candle, broke out of this grey zone and broke these lows. Okay, so we're in a downtrend and we have room to move into. I haven't put in my target. So, yes, you could come down to 190, but I think there's more room in this trade. So I'd come down to 189.50. As you know, guys, I love a psychological level more than I love being on holiday. So yeah, pound yen, yeah, in a downtrend, looking to take price lower. If we drop down to the H4, okay, yeah, it's a H4 and a H1 level here, really, guys. Let's keep it the H4. It's clearer to see. So, yeah, price again. Because it's the bank holiday weekend, Easter weekend, the price action's just been crap. It's a technical term. Yeah, but price has broken this grey zone. Yeah, broken all of these lows, even these lows over here. Right. So what do we want to see? We just want to see a retrace, back up to, could even potentially come up to these lows. Yeah, moving average 20 comes round. We get a nice bearish reaction in here, and then we will look to sell pound yen. So yeah, those, I'm also looking at euro pound as well and looking to buy that. But those are the pound pairs I like the most. All right, so we've got the free trade ideas there. Let's take a quick look at euro pound. Yeah, and again, it's just structure. Just follow structure and candles. and support and resistance, right? So in an uptrend, we've got a nice bullish candles, above the moving average 20. We can look to take price back up to here. All right, so that's more pound weakness. All right, guys, so those are my trade ideas for today. Let's take a look at the news now. So news for Tuesday, the 2nd of April. The first bit of news we're interested in is this: 8:30 London GMT. All of these times are London GMT. We've got PMI coming out of Switzerland. All right, so that can move any Swiss franc pairs. After that, I would say these are important. At 8:55 coming out of Germany and 9 o'clock coming out of the Euro. We've got PMI figures as well, so really important there. If we carry on down, more PMI figures coming out of the UK this time. These could be important because we're looking to trade pound pairs today. So manufacturing PMI. And then this is the big news for today. At 1 o'clock, coming out of the Euro, we've got German CPI. Inflation still very important. So, must be aware of that one, guys. And then at 3 o'clock, London GMT, we've got JOLTS job openings. All right, so another 3-star rating could affect any US dollar pairs. All right, guys, so that's the news for today. Like I say, no live stream today because I'm on holiday for a couple of weeks, but the editor has made you some lovely videos and content to take a look at. All right, have a great trading day, and I'll see you tomorrow.